Good morning, so... Ay, wala na ba? Yun na. Hello, so I'm here with Jojet. Say hi.
Hi!
So, we're on our way home and as you can see, the northbound lane is so traffic while our lane is...
Not traffic.
No, it's light. Love it. So, Jojet here is a big fan of Korean K-pop. And she's a fan of Sandara Park, who happens to be very old. But it's okay, she's pretty anyway. So what can you say about Big Bang?
May post.
Huh?
May post to.
Sa YouTube lang to. Hindi naman ito pinapost sa ano eh. Sa channel ko, I have a YouTube channel. So what can you say about Big Bang?
Sarang yay!
So, as you can see, siguro naman medyo obvious na parang tita ko siya. Diba? Super oily na talaga. Grabe ha.
Hindi nag-BB cream.
Walang patawad ang oiliness. Hindi nag-BB cream naman ako.
Oh,
Pero
tinan mo yung nag-BB cream. Versus hindi nag-BB cream.
ang gusto patulayan si tita. Na mas elastic daw ang kanyang balat kaysa sa akin.
Elastic talaga.
So, ano na masasabi mo ngayon sa
Sa?
mga Korean pops?
I think it's the next big thing.
They will always be the next big thing, but they will never be the big thing.
Because the big thing is Jersey.
Don't mention my name.
I-edit mo.
Ikakat ko yun. Bawal kasi sabihin ng name sa vlog.
Why?
So, ayan po. Katabi po ni Jojet.
Why do you mention
Yun
my
pala,
name?
nakatingin sa'yo si
I don't
Kuya.
like.
Nakatingin si
I
Kuya.
don't
Oo.
like.
Tingin ka sa kanan mo. Dali. Ayan. Diba? Wala doon sila. Sweet nila, no? So, as you can see, my hair is black na and I look like an egg. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Is it an egg, white egg, or a century?
Dinosaur. Eagle egg.
Ostrich egg.
So, ito po, si Carla Abellan. Carla Abellan.
And Bianca King.
Thank you so much.
Pitit
Kami po ang
mga pitit.
Star Circle. Stars. So, ito pong katawan na nakikita nyo ngayon, palandalian to kasi sa susunod nating pagkikita, payat na kami. Okay?
Petit. The petite girls of
Okay. So, yun po, yun lang. Nag-enjoy lang kami dito, pero later, back to work. So, yun. See you till my next video.
vlog.
Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.